Welcome back, mathematicians. In this video, we're going to look at another mixture problem. For this situation, we're being asked to find how much water must be evaporated from 32 ounces of a 4% salt solution to make a 6% salt solution. So when it's talking about 4% and 6%, it's talking about the concentration of salt in our solution. And what we have is a 4% salt solution. When we evaporate water, the water is going to be removed from the solution, but it's not going to remove the salt, which is why the concentration is actually higher. It's also why the amount of liquid that you will have is going to be less. So let's look at this. First, we have a table where the first column is the current mixture, then we have the evaporated, the amount that's going to be evaporated, and then the desired mixture. So in the first row, we have water and salt solution. So how much water is in our current solution? Well, that would be 32 ounces. And then how much water will be evaporated? Well, we don't know, and that's what we're being asked to find. So we'll let that be our variable x. And then how much water will we have for our desired mixture? Well, that will be the 32 ounces we currently have minus the x, which is the amount of water that will be evaporated. Now let's look at our concentration. So that's what I mean by salt solution, is our concentration. So our current concentration is 4% salt solution. And then for evaporated, when you're evaporating the water, it's a pure water. There's no salt in it. So that's why we say it's going to be 0% concentration. And then our desired mixture is going to be 6% salt concentration. So let's take that information then and create an equation from that. So we know that for the current mixture, we have 32 ounces at 4%. So we're going to multiply that to those two values. And we're going to take away from that the x ounces that's going to be evaporated times the 0% concentration. And then this will equal the 32 ounces minus x at the 6% concentration. And then from here, the next step to solve this equation is to convert the percents to their equivalent decimals. We're going to do this by dividing by 100 or moving the decimal place over to the left 2 places. So this will be 32 times 0.04 minus, and this will be x times 0 is equal to 32 minus x times 0.06. Now we're going to simplify the left side. So 32 times 0.04 is going to be 1.28. X times 0 is just 0, so we're not even going to write that, is equal to, in this case, we're going to distribute the 0.06. So 32 times 0.06 is going to be 1.92 minus 0.06x. Next, we're going to subtract 1.92 to both sides. And we get as a result, the difference is negative 0.64 is equal to negative 0.06x. And then finally, we will divide by negative 0.06. And we get for a final answer of x is equal to 10.67 ounces. So that's a rounded decimal. It's approximately 10.767 ounces. And notice that we should have a positive solution, a positive result, because we are talking about an amount of ounces. So if you ever get a negative answer, that means that there's probably a miscalculation somewhere in there. All right, guys, good luck.